Hello and welcome back to Connections with Danielle. This week I'm going to start a new series that I'm actually going to continue on until 2027, because in 2027 American Family Insurance is going to be celebrating our 100th year anniversary. But I may skip around some during that 100 years of history so that I can make it relevant to what's going on in our world. September is Life Insurance Awareness Month. So American Family Insurance opened American Family Life Insurance Company in 1958. And they also that same year opened our property and homeowners insurance. So life insurance is there, so if something happens to you, your family is protected, your property is protected, and it is important for everybody in your family to have life insurance. Mom, dad, kids, everybody. When I was really little, my grandfather bought me a life insurance policy that I eventually cashed in and was able to do that and the savings bonds that he got me and make a down payment on my first home. So it is important, and I'm going to turn it over to Franklin to give you a little bit more in-depth look at September and Life Insurance Awareness Month. Have a great weekend, get out and do something fun, and go Chiefs!
All right.
Hi, Franklin Tyre here. Today's vlog, we're going to talk about life insurance. So September is National Life Insurance Month. Basically, it's a month designed to get people to at least think about life insurance and how important it is to their portfolio. So at our agency, what we try to do is we try to make sure people understand what life insurance is, why they should have it, how much they should have of it, and why that's important. So today's vlog, I want to talk a little bit about life insurance in general. So basically, life insurance comes in one of three types. There is term insurance, which is just what it says it is. It's an amount of life insurance, specific term of time. It's basically cheaper than other forms of life insurance, and it just provides you coverage. It's kind of like renting a house. It's great while you live there, but eventually when you move out, you're not really going to have any cash value or anything in the life insurance. It's just a death protection. The other type of life insurance is whole life insurance or permanent life insurance. That's a life insurance amount of protection that not only does it provide the death benefit, but it also gives you a cash value and things like that. There are little features to it. Whole life insurance, once you take it out, the price never changes. So if you live to be 100, it's still that cost of 100 that it was when you took it out. So, and then in between those two is what's called flexible life insurance or universal life insurance. It works sort of like whole life insurance, works sort of like term insurance. It kind of gives you that flexibility to do other things with it. So that's kind of life insurance in general. And then after you know what kind of life insurance you're really looking for, then it's really a matter of determining how much life insurance should I have. So, it gives us a chance to sit down with you, try to figure out, do I want to cover the mortgage amount? Do I want to provide, coverage to pay off the cars? Do I want to provide coverage to protect my income? So if something happens to you and your spouse, your children still need that income, we can help protect all those type of things too. Funeral costs, all those things that go into predicting how much life insurance you ought to carry. Then once we know that, you can kind of put together a plan. I hope this information helps, and as always, if we can help you with life insurance at all, please reach out to us.